Hi, this is Dina, and today's QuickBooks tip is to not include a PDF when you email invoices from QuickBooks Online. If you look at this invoice and I scroll down to the bottom, you can get details on when your customer actually opened and viewed the invoice. You will not get these details if you attach the PDF to your email. So here's how you change that setting. Go into the gear icon, click Account and Settings, select Sales, go all the way down to the bottom where it says Online Delivery. Uncheck the PDF attached box and change this to online invoice. I also prefer to have the show short summary selected instead of full details. It makes for a much nicer email. So click save. And now when you email the invoice from QuickBooks Online, this is what it'll look like. There's no attachment. There's a review and pay button, depending upon whether you have QuickBooks Intuit processing or not. This button might say something different, but this will give you the details you need.